Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again with me Rizal Firdaus. Jadi pada video ini akan mereaction video dengan judul Orang Bule Membandingkan Indonesia dengan Amerika, di mana Indonesia adalah negara yang tenang dan aman, dari YouTube channel Mr. Copycat. Oke teman-teman, seperti apa videonya? Mari kita tonton sampai habis.
Black in Indonesia is far better than being black in America, and that is fact. Because here, I don't have to worry about being shot down or being pulled over for something, nothing. As a foreigner visit Indonesia, the locals don't expect you to speak the language, but if that was in the West, you stay there, people expect you to speak, and most likely you might face abuse. Yeah, that's the sad reality in the West, particularly in America. America is a country I've lived previously, and it was one of the greatest countries in the world. But now, not anymore. Homelessness, hardship, racism is prevalent. And in fact, America is one of the most racist countries in the world. And coming to Indonesia will surprise you if you're black. You want to know what the experience will be like? Just watch.
Indonesia terkenal dengan keramahannya yang hangat dan budaya yang inklusif terhadap semua orang, tanpa memandang warna kulit. Banyak turis merasa disambut dengan senyuman tulus dan sikap ramah dari masyarakat Indonesia yang memperlakukan semua tamu dengan hormat. Berbeda dengan beberapa negara lain, termasuk Amerika, di mana ketegangan rasial dan kurangnya sopan santun terhadap orang dengan warna kulit berbeda masih menjadi masalah. Berbanding terbalik dengan Indonesia yang dimana memberikan lingkungan yang lebih nyaman dan aman. Inilah sebabnya mengapa banyak warga asing memilih untuk tinggal dan berkunjung ke Indonesia, menikmati keramahan dan kehangatan yang jarang mereka temukan di tempat lain.
One of the biggest differences, I think, is how friendly the people are in Indonesia. Like here, you walk around along the streets and you say hi, people are, yeah, what's up? But there, they're willing to talk to you and they're willing to have open conversations with you. So it's really cool. So you can get to know a lot of different people, backgrounds. I think that was one of the main differences that I liked and actually saw there. I think the food was kind of a culture shock, and doing everything with your hands, like you had to give everything with your right hand. I'm actually lefty and I do a lot of things with my left hand, but I actually couldn't do it with my left hand. That was a huge culture shock. The smell wasn't too bad, it was still a little different. So Indonesian, it has like a big vocabulary. And at first it was really hard for me, but the more I spoke to the people there, the easier it got for me to actually like speak the language. It wasn't too hard, I actually picked it up pretty quickly once I spoke it and got comfortable just opening my mouth, but that was the biggest thing. Probably took me about 5-6 months before I got comfortable with the language.
Tak hanya itu saja, ada turis asing yang berpendapat jika mereka ingin jalan-jalan ke Indonesia tak perlu takut. Walaupun mayoritas penduduknya Muslim, negara Indonesia tidak seperti negara-negara yang berada di Timur Tengah.
Is there something that people should know before they come here?
It's not as religiously strict as people think, because they think it's a Muslim country, so a lot of women are like, can I wear tank top when I'm going out to jog in this? It's not that strict. People are quite nice here. Yeah. It's not like if you're not in a hijab or whatever, they're actually very okay with that. They are following their own religion, but they respect other people a lot more wherever they're coming from, and that's really nice. Yeah. Because I'm from Pakistan. Very strict people.
Oh yeah. Oh, is it strict in Pakistan?
Yes. So
it's not so strict here compared to Pakistan.
Yes. Also, like if you see, women are quite independent even when they're following their religion. So they would sit on the go jerk and like they would travel. They're working on patrol stations, which was a surprise to me. I was like, oh, that's really nice.
Is that not possible in your country?
Oh no, women only work in posh places and mostly white collar jobs, I guess. Okay. All jobs are not given to women, like no waitresses, no shopkeepers or nothing. Yeah. Okay. So I really like it here, that how liberal women are, and how independent everyone is. It's a nice thing to see. Very welcoming country. They don't speak our language. It's very hard to communicate with them, but their gestures and everything is really nice. If somebody would come down here instead of Malaysia and Singapore, the culture is very different, but it's fun.
Bahkan ada seorang turis asing yang berkulit hitam, merasa dia sangat dihargai dan cintai di Indonesia karena pengalamannya di negara Amerika banyak yang rasis terhadap orang yang berkulit hitam.
Crazy. I came to this attraction, now I'm the attraction, so look at this place, it's beautiful. Anyways, alright, everyone want to take a picture with me?
Am I mad? No. Don't feel sorry for me. I love it. My chocolate skin is glowing, and the ladies, of course, all the ladies I take photos with, Yes, please. Honestly, being black in Indonesia, it's a blessing and a curse. Mainly, mostly a blessing. The thing is, I've learned coming to Indonesia is Indonesian truly love foreigners. And if you're just as nice as me, trust me, your time in this archipelago island of Indonesia will be a one to tell for years to come. The people are nice and generous. Discrimination I've never experienced. Racism, most people outside may be concerned. Trust me, Indonesian don't have time for that. The Indonesian, the Chinese, the Hindu, trust me, these people are one of the most friendliest, hospitable people you will ever come across.
Oke, teman-teman, seperti itulah isi videonya. Sungguh menarik dijelaskan kalau misalnya Indonesia adalah negara paling liberal, di mana teman-teman di sini akan disambut dengan keramahan dan penerimaan oleh masyarakat Indonesia. Untuk orang asing juga pun begitu. Jadi mereka merasa nyaman dan tidak ada rasisme di sana. So, sangat bersyukur jadi orang Indonesia. Teman-teman juga harus begitu, menurut saya. Oke, kalau misalnya teman-teman suka dengan video ini, silahkan like dan juga subscribe untuk bisa mendapatkan notifikasi video selanjutnya. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys in another video.